Welcome, listeners. Today we're diving into a truly fascinating topic that's been making waves in the tech world. Have you heard about the new large language model called DeepSeek R1? It's a real game changer in AI research. Developed by a talented team from China, it's been benchmarked to perform similarly to OpenAI's models on reasoning tasks, think math, coding, and even scientific reasoning. Quite impressive, wouldn't you say?
Oh wow, that sounds incredible. How does it actually manage to perform so well? Is it like, using some sort of magic or something?
Not quite magic, but it does involve some clever techniques. One of the key takeaways from their research is a method called chain of thought. This is a prompt engineering technique that encourages the model to explain its reasoning step by step. Imagine you're solving a math problem in school, right? Instead of just giving you the answer, the model shows its work, like a diligent student. This way, it can evaluate its own reasoning process and identify any mistakes along the way.
Oh, I see. So it's like when I was in school and my teacher would always say, show your work. But what if it gets confused? Like, does it have a way to correct itself if it goes off track?
Exactly. That's the beauty of it. By showing its work, it can pinpoint where it went wrong, much like how we learn from our mistakes. Now, the second takeaway is about reinforcement learning, which is quite different from traditional methods. Instead of just asking direct questions and providing answers, DeepSeek learns through exploration. Think of it like a baby learning to walk. At first, it stumbles and falls, but over time, it optimizes its behavior to maximize rewards.
Oh, that's such a cool analogy. So it's like trial and error, right? But does that mean it takes longer to learn? Like, what if it just keeps falling over and over again?
Great question. Yes, it can take longer, but the key is that it learns which actions yield the best outcomes over time. It's a bit like training for a marathon. You don't just wake up one day and run 26 miles. You start small, learn from your runs, and gradually build up your stamina.
Right, that makes sense. So it's all about that gradual improvement. What's the third takeaway then?
The third takeaway is model distillation. This process involves using a larger model to teach a smaller one how to reason and answer questions effectively. It's like having a wise mentor guiding a novice. The fascinating part is that these distilled models can actually outperform larger models in specific tasks, while requiring significantly less computational power.
Wow, that's mind-blowing. So it's like taking the best bits from a big model and making it more accessible. Like how a chef might teach an apprentice to cook by sharing only the essential techniques.
Exactly. You've got it. This makes advanced AI more accessible to those with fewer resources. It's a real breakthrough that could democratize AI technology. These concepts really highlight the innovative techniques behind DeepSeek and its potential impact on the AI landscape.
I'm just blown away by all this. Do you think this could change how we interact with AI in our daily lives? Like, could we see it in things like personal assistants or even in education?
Absolutely. The potential applications are vast. Imagine having a personal assistant that not only understands your requests, but can also explain its reasoning behind its suggestions. Or think about how students could benefit from AI tutors that adapt to their learning styles. The possibilities are endless.
That's so exciting. I can't wait to see how this all unfolds. Do you think we'll see this in our everyday gadgets soon? Like, my toaster could start giving me breakfast tips.
DeepSeek R1 certainly paved the way for smarter, more intuitive interactions in our daily lives.
Thanks for breaking it down so clearly. I feel like I've learned so much today.